Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create this amazing, inexpensive holiday decor centerpiece. You do not want to miss out. It's super easy to do. Stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below and share this video with a friend. Also, don't forget to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, where you can explore our guide to learn how I build YouTube, guides for Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, DIYs, how to market your business and brands online, and more. Every month, we add a new guide to help you grow your business. You can preview the videos of the guides. Check the Academy link in the description to join for free. To start off, I'm going to take my garland. I'm going to measure it around the small shadow box frame. Once I'm done measuring the length that I need, I'm going to take my hot glue gun to get it to stick on. Next, I'm going to take these cute little holiday Christmas bells that I purchased for under $1 at Walmart. I'm going to take the little clip that you see here. I'm going to go ahead and hook it onto my shadow box frame. Use my hot glue gun to get it to stay on for a strong hold. For this process, I'm going to take my large fish bowl. I'm going to decorate it with some pine cones, some ornaments, and then proceed on to the next step. Next, I'm going to take the glass urn candle holder. I'm going to use my go-to glue and glue my fishbowl on top of the urn. You're going to repeat the same process with the smaller fishbowl. You're going to need to let your first fishbowl to dry for about 30 minutes before gluing your second small fishbowl on top of your bigger fishbowl. For this final step, I'm going to take my flute glass bowl. I'm going to take this LED light. I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath my faux snow where it can't be seen. I'm going to go ahead and decorate it with some pine cones and some ornaments. Then I'm gonna glue my flute glass bowl on top of my smaller fish bowl. Once you're done, you're going to need to let it sit to dry for about an hour, or let it dry overnight. For this process, I'm going to take my second LED light. I'm going to go ahead and add some pine cones, add some ornaments, and then I'll take my centerpiece. I'm going to place it on top. It is super cost effective and it's really easy to do, and it's really a versatile centerpiece that you can use for any event or holiday event that you're hosting, or just have it on your dining room table. I love how you can add the LED lights in it to, give it that Christmas feel, and the faux snow and the ornaments. It looked absolutely stunning. And I also added the LED lights at the bottom, and I just kind of dress it up with a little bit of the ornament, some pine tree, some pine coins, so you can dress the bottom however you would like. I also did do a similar look to this centerpiece. Well, for this one, I decided to give it a really holiday feel. The similar video that I did for this centerpiece, you can check it out in the description box below. The fishbowl that you see here in the middle is the smaller fishbowl from Dollar Tree, and then the big fishbowl is at the bottom. And then I have this type of fishbowl here where it has this little swivel lining around it. So they all are different sizes, and I think that it really brought it to life, and it made it look absolutely amazing and unique, and everything just fit perfectly into place. Comment in the description box below and let me know, what do you think of the outcome of this centerpiece? Do you like this look? Will you be trying it? So let me know in the comment section.